Zone Life. This is 42nd Street, okay? 42nd Times Square. And this is how the subway be like. It's not even crowded yet. It's early in the morning. Hopefully it doesn't close. Oh, hell no. He gonna trap me. I ain't going in there. I was gonna go in and out, but nah. Let me show you guys how it look like inside. So this is how it looks like. Yep.
Oh, you want to put that? Let's get
If as it 42nd, Porter 30, Times Square. Okay, let's go up here. I'm just showing you guys the area, and you can either take the N, Q, or R train to Brooklyn. And you got the 7, the A, different trains, guys. All right, this way. Let's go this way. Got a little art stuff on the walls here. They say Happy New Year's. And this one says somebody over there playing piano. Yep. Over here, so you can make all your connections at 42nd Street, Times Square. You can make all your connections anywhere you want to go. Okay, all right. But I'm taking the long way. I'm going to Queens, but I'm not going to take. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm going the long way, so I'm gonna take the 2 and switch up. Give me a second here. Let's go this way. Okay, so I'll show you guys here in a minute. Matter of fact, we can either go that way or down here. So I'm gonna go down here. Another 2 in 1 minute. 2 in 1 minute. So we're gonna hop on that one.
I like push them down the steps a little bit. Ain't that all you can?
She's security talking about pushing someone down the steps. Hop on this train, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get on. They said 1 minute, so it's gonna be in 1 minute. So we're gonna hop on in 1 minute. I'm gonna show you guys. There you go, the train right there. It's coming. They're gonna be bump rushing, pushing people out the way, but you gotta be careful. 196?
196?
Yeah, you stopped there, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool. Thank you. That's New York Quarry.